Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we are going to discuss one problem. In this problem, we are identify the organic acid. What is that organic acid? Once again, I read it the problem. An organic acid whose molecular formula is C8H8O2, its decarboxylation forms toluene. Now identify that organic acid. What is that organic acid? What is that organic acid on decarboxylation forms toluene? Okay students, this is the problem. This is our problem. An organic acid whose molecular formula is C8H8O2. C8H8O2 is decarboxylation. It forms toluene. What is the process of decarboxylation? Decarboxylation is the chemical process. It is removal of CO2 in the form of any alkali carbonate. Okay students, what is that decarboxylation? It is the chemical process. It is removal of CO2 in the form of alkali carbonate. That is called it as decarboxylation process. In this problem, an organic acid whose molecular formula is C8H8O2, it decarboxylation, it forms toluene molecule. Okay students, now we are find out what is that organic acid. What is that organic acid? Now we are identify that organic acid. Now we are taking alpha phenyl acetic acid. This is the alpha phenyl acetic acid. In this ethanoic acid, alpha phenyl acetic acid or ethanoic acid are also called it as same. In this ethanoic acid, acetic acid, the second carbon atom containing phenyl group. So we are called it as alpha phenyl acetic acid. On phenyl acetic acid reacting with NaOH and CaO. NaOH and CaO. In this NaOH, NaO minus and CO2, it is removed in the form of Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay students, NaO and CO2 in the alpha phenyl acetic acid. Alpha phenyl acetic acid removed by the process of decarboxylation, that is removed in the form of sodium carbonate. So remaining compound is CH2 in this hydrogen CH3. So methyl group in the benzene ring. Okay students, how Na2CO3 is removed? It is decarboxylation by adding NaOH and CaO. It is removed in the form of Na2CO3 and the remaining compound is toluene, and also some water molecule also removed in this process. This is the decarboxylation of process. So what is that organic acid? Alpha phenyl acetic acid is an organic acid. So now we are find out alpha phenyl acetic acid whose molecular formula is C8H8O2. Right, yes. So organic acid, phenyl acetic acid, so it is a 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid, because alpha phenyl acetic acid are also called it as 2-phenyl ethanoic acid, because in this acetic acid the one hydrogen is replaced with phenyl group. One hydrogen is replaced with that group, so that's why we are called it as the second carbon atom carrying phenyl ring. So the phenyl ring or benzene. So 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Okay students, the organic acid is 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Is decarboxylation forms toluene. Thank you for watching students. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it.